Doubleheader.
Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor.
Whoa, this is weird. 2 different stations.
At 8:12 p.m. Doppler radar indicated
Amanda.
severe thunderstorms capable of producing winds to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Located along the line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge to Tidal Basin.
Hibernia Park, Philadelphia. I did not know that Hibernia Park did special marine warnings.
Bush River, Miller Iceland, Pools Island, Northeast River, Elk River, Fort Smallwood State Park, Francis Scott Key Bridge, Spessady Island, Turkey Point, Hanover Street Bridge, Baltimore Harbor Adele, 7-Foot Knoll, Susquehanna Flats, Dundalk Marine Terminal, Wharton Point, Barkin Point into the Patapsco River. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to safe harbor or stay close to shore until these storms pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters.
The National Weather Service and State College from the National Weather Service. Tornado